Now let's look at how to combine Vlookup and data validation. We want to look at how you can combine Vlookup and data validation. Now watch your screen. We have the data set here. We have customer ID, name, department, and salary. And let's assume that these data are so many, so you cannot be searching for a customer ID one after the other. So we want to use Vlookup. So we want to put the customer ID here. So we are getting the customer ID, the name, the department, and the salary of that person. So I want to teach you how you can automate this, and you will just see it amazingly. So what we are going to start with is, as usual, on the cell where you have name, the cell below, you say equal to Vlookup. Lookup. You can double click on it. What are we looking up for? We want to look up for customer ID. The cell that represents customer ID is what we are going to click. So click on this cell here. Then you put a comma. Now we have the next argument. From what range are we looking up this customer ID? We want to say from the entire data set. We want to highlight the entire data set. So select all of them. Then put a comma. The next argument is from the entire data set that you have selected, from which column do you want to return? So we want to return the name, department, and salary. So we want to return from column 2, column 3, and column 4. Mind you, the customer ID is column 1. This is column 1. This is column 2. This is column 3. While this is column 4. So we want to return column 2, column 3, and column 4. So we want to do all of this once. I don't want to do for column 2, then do separately for column 3, and separately for column 4. No, I want to do all of them together. So to do that, you open a curly bracket. You put 2, comma, that's column 2. Then column 3, comma, column 4. Then we'll close that curly bracket. Then you put a comma. Then you put 0. We want you to get exact match of what we are looking for, not a close match. All right? So you close the bracket and press enter. You see, it's showing me not applicable because there is nothing to find here. We have not asked the system what to find. So if I click here now and tell the system what to find, for example, I say find ID number C005 and I press enter. Can you see how it has returned the name, the department, and the salary of that ID number C005? You see it. So if you change it to ID number C009, it gives you every detail about that particular ID number. In your own case, your lookup value may be something long, maybe email address. You know, some email addresses, you see some that are long, some are having underscore, some have underscore, some have dot, some have at, you know, different things. So in that case, you might make a mistake while typing it, because if I'm typing, in the process of typing this column ID, if I type C009, it won't show me anything because I've used the 0 of the alphabet. So if I also make a mistake, C0011, it will show me nothing. So you can make a mistake while typing the lookup value. So in that case, we want to apply data validation. such that we will never make any mistake. Okay, so what we'll do here, let me delete this. When we click on here, then you go to data. Go to data validation here. Click on data validation. Then this dialog box will come up. In this dialog box, this place where you have any value, click on this arrow, select list. Here where you have source, click on this arrow here, then select the customer ID column. I will select the entire column. I will press enter. Then in this my dialog box, I will press OK. So now what I have just done is that I have made that customer ID a drop-down menu where you no longer have to type. You no longer have to type. So you can just select the customer ID of the person you are looking for. So let's try it now. If I click on this, you see all the customer IDs are already there. Just select anyone you want. You see, it will give you every detail about the person. You can click on it, select another one. It changes and gives you what you want. So this is how you can combine data validation and Vlookup. I don't know if you have learned something new today. If yes, let me know in the comment section. Just type, I have learned a new thing. And if you want to learn more new things, follow me.